Verifying your bank account on Toptal is an important step to ensure smooth payment processing. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Toptal account. Access your Toptal account by entering your credentials on the Toptal website. Make sure you have your login information ready. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Once logged in, go to your profile settings. Look for the payment settings section, which is usually found in the account or financial settings menu. Step 3. Add your bank account information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth adding. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit verification documents. After entering your bank details, you may be prompted to upload verification documents. This could include a bank statement or a voided check to confirm your account ownership. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. Once you have submitted your bank account information and documents, wait for Toptal to review and confirm your submission. You will receive a notification once your bank account is verified. Completing these steps will ensure that your bank account is verified on Toptal, allowing for seamless transactions. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Toptal support for assistance.